everybody. I present to you the plugin Group Layout. The plugin will allow you to batch model multiple communications. For example, if you have built some set of communications in the hallway and you want to model them batch-wise throughout, Object. In order for the plugin to work, first, it must be configured. To do this, we go to Settings, and in the Group Routing tab, we select any angle or a certain angle. Let's consider both options. First, the definite is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. We select Done. We select our communications, start the plugin. Next, if we click on the direction of the pipes, then they will batch lengthen or shorten. But if we click somewhere on the side, then we're going to have batch builds, branches, and so on. The bottom line where you can batch all the communications. Exactly the same thing with the ductwork. Choosing the ducts. Run the plugin. We can extend or shorten, and we can also batch rotate. Let's look at the work of the plugin as well. When set to an arbitrary angle, selecting our dots, run the plugin, and we see that the gasket is coming already at an arbitrary angle. This plugin works with pipes as well as with ducts and trays. Let's say we have some cable trays. We run the plugin in the same way, group padding, and we're laying our trays. Bottom line, the group layout plugin will allow you to batch, model multiple communications in a couple clicks. That'll be all for everybody. Thanks. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up. You'll also find in the video description a download link to a free 2-week trial. See y'all later.